Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your purchase could not be completed. Contact iTunes. So guys, if you're facing this problem on your iPhone, you will have to watch this video till the end to fix this problem. So guys, here I will give you some possible solution which can help you to fix this problem. So guys, the very first solution to this problem is that you will have to delete your payment method and then you will have to add a new payment method if you are facing this problem again and again. So guys, open settings on your iPhone, tap on your profile, and then from here you will have to tap on payment and shipping, and then you will have to delete your previous payment method, and then you will have to add a new payment method to fix this problem. So guys, after this, the second solution to this problem is that you will have to make it sure that your unpaid orders are not in your purchase history. So guys, go back and then again open your profile, tap on media and purchases, tap on view account. So guys, from here you will have to tap on purchase history. So guys, from here you will have to make sure that there is no unpaid payment or orders on your purchase history. So guys, first of all, pay your remaining unpaid orders and then again try to fix this problem. So guys, after this, go back and go for the other solution. So guys, the other solution to this problem is that you will have to correctly select your country or region. So guys, open settings and again tap on your profile, then scroll it below and tap on media and purchases, and then tap on view account. So guys, from here tap on country or region. So guys, tap on change country or region and then select your current country to fix this problem. So guys, after this, go for the other solution, that is turn off VPN on your iPhone. So guys, go back and then open again your settings on your profile, and then tap on general, scroll it below and tap on VPN and device management. So guys, make it sure that there is no VPN connected to your iPhone. So guys, after this, go for the last and final solution, that is update your software on your iPhone. So guys, go back and then again tap on general and then tap on software update. So guys, from here make it sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. So guys, after all this solution, hopefully you will be able to fix this problem. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.